What's up, guys? And today we're going to start on the dash flocking on a part that nobody really talks about in their videos. They just go from taking the dash out to flocking it, and the reason you're flocking it is because you got cracks in your dash. We left off last time where we put this panel glue over top of it, and instead of hand sanding everything, I did go to Napa and I bought their cheapest angle grinder and some Scotch-Brite pads that screw on the end there. And PJ and I are actually just going to go over like we did here. And here you can kind of feel it at ridge, but it kind of fades in here. And I think you're still going to see it, but it's going to be a whole lot better than, you know, if we would have left it or something like that. And we might go get some Bondo and fill it over with that way. Back here you can feel a whole bunch of ridges, but so yeah, let's go ahead and we'll start first off with the Scotch-Brite pad, getting all that glue we put on, the plastic glue, sanded down. Alright guys, so we kind of put the camera away and we forgot about some stuff, didn't record some stuff. So we finished and got this sanded and down, and then we ended up gluing the vents in. Yeah, I know it's rough, but we'll sand this down just like we did with this stuff. That stuff just has to set for 24 hours. So while we were sitting, we were wondering what else we can do. So we got the car up. In the process, we got jack oil out and a leak on our floor because I'm an idiot and I pulled the wrong shit. Jack up on the car. But we are going to mount the hydro mount back where it was. Reason for doing so is, I don't know, I don't really want to get into it too much. I guess I kind of got a big project already with everything torn apart. And it worked and it was sturdy. Now, I didn't get one of those deals that bolt around the tunnel, or the bolts around the, with the shift boot. What I have is I bolted this thick steel. This is something I had without a welder. But it's a thick T, you'll see. That bolts on there. And then this bolts to the side with a big washer, and then it's got 3 bolts bolting it to the tunnel. Super janky, but it stays tight, and it never, you know, it never did me any wrong. So we're gonna bolt that back up. We're not gonna put the handle or anything on just because that'll all be in the way, but I want to get this part done since I have PJ here and he can get underneath and do that. While we got the car in the air, this brake line, I ended up running, I had a whole bunch of it sitting underneath the dash. I ended up pushing it all through there, so I'll get that all zip tied up. So right now we're gonna bolt this down. We're gonna send PJ underneath the car. Youngest guy, that he gets that. So, and then I'm gonna hit this with the impact up here and make this super stiff and tight again.
You scared the fuck out of me.
Why?
Oh.
I said I scared him. Let me know when you got that back one on.
Those 2 washers won't fit up front.
Okay.
Just an FYI.
Well, just one?
Maybe.
Let's do the back first.
Okay. I'm very surprised in how clean it is under here.
What do you mean? Let me know when you're ready.
I don't know, I just wasn't expecting it to be this clean.
Said he's surprised at how clean the underside of the old S13-4 is. What a dick. Ready?
Yeah. second. That's my doing. I had it too far up. Go. Ah, fuck. Come on. Go.
Alright, so with the help of PJ, we got that mounted. That's nice and sturdy. And then we like I said, we braided everything. We got this all zip tied up behind there. We'll see if we can get, there we go. We'll slide that under there. There we go. No one will know anything. And then center console back on when we get the dash in. But PJ had the shit job of going underneath the car. But yeah, hydro's mounted back in. Like I said, we did it that way. It was just easier. Didn't have to come up with anything new. This stuff's still drying. Yuck. But be ready to live another day. We'll get that, let that dry, sand it down again, and should be ready for, we'll skim it one more time, probably with some Bondo. I mean, we did pretty decent. Obviously it's not, it's still rough. The Bondo and filler will smooth it all out. But PJ, thank you for doing the grunt work. Appreciate it. Anyways, till next time, guys. This is the stuff that sucks when you flock a dashes, stuff they don't show you. It's not as easy as what it. What are you doing, scratching the car?
I was checking out your cracks.
It's calling me out. Till next time, like, comment, subscribe. Don't let your friends scratch your car, and keep on sliding.